In today's video, I will show you step by step how you can embed a Dailymotion video to your Wix website. So to do this is a very simple thing to do. Once we are on our Wix dashboard, we need to go over to the left-hand side bar here, scroll down to Site and Mobile App, go to Website and SEO, and then select Website. Once you click on this, you will then be able to go to the top right-hand corner and click on Edit Site. If you don't have a site already, you can create a new one. That's not a problem. Once we click on Edit Website, you will then be redirected over to the Wix website editor, which will look something like this. Now from here, what we want to do is go to the top left-hand corner, click on Add Elements, and then you want to scroll down and then click on Video and Music. From here, you want to select Dailymotion. That will then add the video player to your website. You can resize this and you can move this around, as you can see, and then what you can then do is you can select change video to add your own. What you can now do is you can click on search videos right here. That will then allow you to search from all of the videos on Dailymotion, or what you can do is go to the Dailymotion website. You can go ahead and go to the video that you want to embed, and then you can click on copy link, go back over to your website right here, and then paste this link into this box, which will then add that video onto your website. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can embed a Dailymotion video on your Wix website.